In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Voidwalker in Deepwoken. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Voidwalker is part of the Origins feature in Deepwoken. This will provide the player with certain gear and allegiances on spawn, depending on which Origin is chosen. And in this video, I'm gonna give you the requirements for you to obtain Voidwalker as your Origin. So, all that you have to do is on a single character, grip 5 players who are not allied with you. Chime of Conflict grips count, but only as half of a grip. So essentially, if you grip a player with Chime of Conflict, you have to grip them twice for it to count, or rather grip 2 players for it to count as a full one. Afterwards, talk to Iris, who will reside under the deck of a non-burning boat during the Kingdom of Atreia versus Knives of Elis event. Speak using the second dialogue option, which will unlock itself given that you have the grips required. Then enter a Knives Captain time bubble. You will be warped to the Void Heart, where you need to talk to Eyeless, the Punished Dreamer, to receive the Origin. So, to summarize all of this process, you will need to grip 5 players who are not allied with you, and after you are done with this requirement, you will be able to talk to Iris on the non-burning boat during the Kingdom of Atreia versus Knives of Ayla's event. By talking to them, choosing the second dialogue option, you will be able to enter a Knives Captain time bubble, and you will be warped to Voidheart, where you can talk to Eyeless to finally receive this Origin. Voidwalker grants players a PvP-focused style of progression, greatly favoring killing bounty targets for EXP. Those under this origin can partake in PvE for EXP as well, but you will experience a lesser return of EXP compared to those of a different origin. So make sure that you get Voidwalker if you really want to go for PvP. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Voidwalker Deepwoken. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.